You already know that the healthiest way to eat is a whole food, plant-based diet. Top scientists and nutrition experts agree. And you know that you feel better when you eat that way. Imagine how much better life would be if you didn't have to work so hard just to eat right. Introducing LeafSide. LeafSide meals are the first ever, no work, go anywhere, whole food, plant-based meals that taste amazing and fit your lifestyle. Every LeafSide meal contains over 20 nutrient-dense, whole food, plant-based ingredients, checking off all of the recommended foods to eat according to the latest nutrition science. Just add water. Wait 7 to 10 minutes, then enjoy. Choose from delicious, savory bowls, soups, sweet bowls, and smoothies. At home, office, or while traveling. No matter how busy life gets, LeafSide helps you eat the way you want, so you can live your life the way you want to. You can easily extend one LeafSide meal to feed 2, a family, or your party guests, using the simplest of ingredients. Join the thousands of happy LeafSide customers. Give yourself the ultimate freedom. Try LeafSide today. Click below to get started.